Now, reload this page. How long it will take? It takes approximately 15 minutes, more than 15 minutes. If already this certificate is created in another AWS account, it will check all these validations, then it will create issue. Once this is issued, it looks like this. Once you go inside of this, it will be secure. This you need to use. This identifier or ID, you have to use it part of your hosting. That time your website will be secure like this. This lock will be 1 year lock validity. This lock will be for 1 year SSL. It's free in AWS. If you want to buy the same in GoDaddy, you can buy from the GoDaddy itself. But GoDaddy will charge. In GoDaddy also you can host it. Rather you go to all the way to AWS, you can host in GoDaddy itself. Let me show you that incognito window. GoDaddy.com. What all you can do it here? You can buy a domain. You can host your website. You can secure your website. You can buy a mailbox as well. As security. Under security, SSL certificate. These are SSL certificates. You can create a certificate here, but you have to pay for it. This is the SSL log. How much they are charging? 2,000, 3,000 rupees per year. In AWS, they are giving for free. Every website should be SSL certified, secure. Why? When you provide username and password, it is traveling all the way from your machine to that server. While it is traveling, it will travel through encrypted mode. If you don't have SSL certificate, open password, open username is traveling from you to all the way servers. In between, hackers will be there. They will hack your data. So that's the reason you have seen a lot of ads as well. If your website is not secure, don't give any sensitive data. Don't provide your bank details because it's open. They can read your username and password. If it is locked, the moment you enter username and password, that is encrypted. And it will travel all the way to the server. There again decrypt and check the username and password, then it will allow you. So this is the overall purpose of GoDaddy, buying own domain. So what all you have learned today? How to create a certificate in AWS. How to create a certificate. You see, issued. I think it takes 1 minute, 2 minutes, I believe. Issued. Where we use this, moving forward, you will learn it. So even you have learned some basics of Route 53. Route 53 is a DNS service. What you have learned is how to create a poster zone, how to add a scenery. FQDN, fully qualified domain name. That is the reason you see most of the people, they ask, what is your name? What I observed in South India, especially in Telangana, what I observed is, we only give alias names. But if you go to Chennai, they'll give full name. If you go to North India, they'll give full name. They tell full name. First name and last name they'll tell. But we use a lot of alias names here. Observed? But basically, you're supposed to give your full name. FQDN, fully qualified domain name. So this website is coming from all the way from this subdomain. You can also access this website without this. Without this also you can access it. But you need to configure. See, you need to configure this. It will not work like that. It will parent. This is a parent. Previous one, child with parent. And one, I'll show you one more. This is one more child. learnbydoing.cloudbyne.io. Same thing you're accessing aws.amazon.com. Amazon.com is a parent. AWS is a child, one of the business for them. What is Cloud Binary? It's a parent. Learn by doing is one of the child. Like this, moving forward, you see some companies under Cloud Binary.